Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 transmission fluid. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a 13mm wrench, and about 4 quarts of new, correct specification transmission fluid. Safety is paramount, so ensure your RAV4 is on a level surface and securely supported by sturdy jack stands. Briefly warm the engine for about 5 minutes to help the fluid drain more easily. Now, let's drain the old fluid. Locate the transmission drain plug, usually a large bolt on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a drain pan, capable of holding at least 5 quarts, directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old, dark transmission fluid to flow out. This process might take 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and consider replacing the crush washer for a leak-free seal. With the old fluid drained, it's time to refill. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without over-torquing. Next, locate the transmission fluid fill tube, which might have a yellow dipstick or be a capped tube near the engine. Using a clean funnel, slowly add about 3 to 4 quarts of the new, correct specification transmission fluid. Pouring too quickly can cause spills, so take your time. For the final steps, start your RAV4 engine and let it run for a few minutes. Shift through all the gears, pausing for a few seconds in each, to circulate the new fluid throughout the transmission. With the engine still running and warm, carefully check the fluid level using the dipstick. Add small amounts of fluid, about 1/4 of a quart at a time, until it reaches the full mark. Remember to dispose of the old fluid properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.